Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect HyperX Cloud 3 to PC. Start by taking the USB-C dongle and plugging it into an available USB-C port on your PC. If your computer does not have a USB-C port, do not worry. Use the USB-C to USB-A adapter that comes with the headset. Attach the dongle to the adapter, then plug it into a standard USB-A port on your computer. Once inserted, your PC should recognize the dongle automatically without needing extra setup. Now pick up your headset. Locate the power button, which is usually on one of the ear cups. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until you see a light turn on. This light is the LED indicator. It shows that the headset is powered on and searching for a connection. After a moment, the headset will connect automatically to the USB dongle. You will know it is connected when the LED indicator becomes solid instead of blinking. At this point, your headset is ready to use. You can now play audio, join calls, or use it for gaming. If you have the wired version of the headset, simply plug the 3.5mm jack into your PC's headphone port. Thanks for watching.